Hi, welcome to my channel, LaWanna's Inspirational Talks, where it is lit. Thank you so much for joining, and if you return, welcome back. Today's video is a video of me in my garden watering my plants and flowers. Yes, it's a beautiful day, and I would like for you to share this moment with me. And if you would like to share this moment with me, please stick around. I'm LaWanna Lee, for those who don't know me, and on this channel we talk about lifestyle, fitness, health and beauty, the Word of God, and much more. If you're interested in seeing more of my videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below, like, comment, share, and also hit the bell notification bell, and that way you will not miss a video that I upload. With that being said, let's get right into it. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started on watering the plants. But first, before I get started, I'm going to add some little color to my garden. I purchased some things. Purchased these little plates right here. Smaller one. And I also have a larger one. And I'm going to place these under my plants. Guys, I wanted to say while I'm placing the plates down, I really do enjoy taking care of my plants. It's a very relaxing time to water plants. I know y'all must be thinking, why does she keep looking at the camera? I'm sorry, I was just trying to make sure y'all could see what I was doing. Okay, let's get started. I have my plant food, blooming, rooting, soluble plant food. I'm going to take a scoop of this. Like that. Place it into my watering pot. This pot right here. We just had a hummingbird visitor. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm so sorry. I forgot my stirrer so that I can stir up my plant feeding solution. I'm coming right back. I'm going to stir it up as such. Let's get started. We just had a hummingbird out here, so what I want to do is give those plants more of my feed that I have remaining so that the flowers can bloom more and more and the hummingbirds will come to them, be drawn to them. One of the things about being outdoors, you will hear nature at work. The wind, the crickets, the birds, and more. But I love it. Okay, it's a beautiful day that the Lord has made. It's just right. Good time for watering the plants. The sun is down. It's humid out here. The sun is down. However, there's an overcast, so it makes it just that much better. But this is what my husband and I do to take care of our plants in our garden, and I thank you so much for joining me on this day. And this is the end of this video. Okay guys, I wanted to show you the rest of my plants in my garden. I didn't get to water those during the video, but I did get to water them after, off camera. So here they are. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to become part of Lit's family, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, share, and also hit the bell notification bell so you won't miss a video that I upload. Until next time, keep winning. Let's grow and take care of our plants together during this season and never give up.